Hello mga Hotmart and welcome naman sa Jetour booth dito sa Manila International Auto Show. Itong sa tabi ko is the new Jetour X70. Pero hindi lang siya bago, no? May nakakaiba rin pa dito aside from the look. You see, this new X70, tawag nila dito is the IDM, meaning plug-in hybrid electric vehicle na rin siya. You can get this for around 1.6 million pesos and it has 129 kilometers of pure EV range and up to 1,200 kilometers combined pag sinama mo yung gasoline range mo. Aside from this one, there's a new vehicle yung nandun sa likod. That is the Jetour T2 naman. Meron na rin tayong T2 dati. 4x4 yun. Ito, 4x2 lang pero plug-in hybrid electric vehicle na rin siya kaya IDM na rin tawag. Jetour T2 IDM. Just like this, Jetour X70 IDM, 129 kilometers ang pure EV range yan at 1,200 kilometers ang combined range yan. You can get that for around 2.4 million pesos. Medyo mahal pero ang gwapo naman talaga tingnan, plug-in hybrid ka pa.